Like any myths that you would want to burst that will go around being a woman in the 21st century?
No, I wouldn't. I think something like a myth is a very, very strong word. But I think, like I said earlier, I think women are multi-talented. I think we are able to multitask, and I think we do a very good job of that. Sometimes in the process, when we do things for ourselves, it comes with a lot of guilt. I think we start feeling guilty that, you know.
I think that's what I love about the collection name, that it's making being vain good. Like, it's good to dress up, it's good to do things for yourself.
No, and I think like women constantly from a young age are constantly doing things for other people and trying to satisfy other people all the time, whether it's your parents, whether it's your boyfriend, whether it's friends, whether it's as a mother, as a wife, playing different roles all the time. And it's okay sometimes to take time off, out for yourself and nurture and take care of yourself and do things for yourself once in a while.
Perfect.
And one more thing. How is this collection different from what's available in the market otherwise?
Which market?
The consumer market. Like there's a lot of other brands around. And
I'm sure there are a lot of other brands
Yeah.
around, but different brands have different things to offer, and I'm not really sure about what they have to offer. I know I'm clear about what we as a brand stand for and what we want to do. And it is really, I think, in the collection that you saw, they're comfortable clothes. They're fun, they're romantic, they're girly, but I think comfort is priority.
Okay. I mean, is it something to do with your orientation towards the people with the foundation? You seem very people oriented and thinking about the people. So is the name coming from that? Anything apart from the...
I think I think it's something that happens very organically at that point. I think Myntra as a brand and me are pretty much on the same page. The foundation is very different, and the work that the foundation does is very different, and what All About You stands for is very different. Yes, in a sense, yes, live, love and laugh is my mantra and my motto in life. All About You is, I think, all about you. And I'm someone who did feel a lot of that pressure when I was growing up, to constantly have to dress a certain way, and even today it happens where you're like, oh, shoes are right, but we wish she had done something different. And but it doesn't really matter, because I think at that point I'm very happy with the way I look, and that gives me my confidence. So it's really to tell girls to just be who you are, and be who you are and enjoy being who you are.